Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack rare and zip archives on Motorola Razr 2022. And to do this we'll need to open up the Rare app we've shown you previously on how to download it. Now locate the files that you want to unpack, click on them, then select each of the file or click on this arrow pointing up button to unpack entire archive. Right here you can click on browse to change the designation for the files. I want them unpacked in the movies, so click on OK for that. Then change any of the settings and click on OK. Here's the files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.